You're tuned into the SEOPress Breadcrumbs tutorial series. In this set of videos, we'll guide you through customizing your WordPress breadcrumbs with SEOPress PRO, making navigation easier and more intuitive for both users and search engines alike. You're watching the SEOPress channel. Let's get started. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to customize breadcrumbs for taxonomies on archive pages. To begin, go to SEO, then Pro, and find the Breadcrumbs tab. Enable breadcrumbs by toggling the switch. Head over to Post Type to show in Breadcrumbs for Taxonomies, Archive. For category pages, choose Posts in the drop-down for Categories category. If you're updating product categories, select Products for Product Categories Product Cat. Save your changes to apply this breadcrumb format to your taxonomy archive pages. Your taxonomy archive pages are now equipped with customized breadcrumbs, enhancing navigation for category-specific browsing. In our next and final video, we'll walk through adding custom text before your breadcrumbs. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow for more SEOPress tutorials.